Gentlemen, I thought it was about time I kind of uploaded something just to let you know what's going on with the old Covin. I haven't uploaded anything because I've been doing electrical work. Nobody wants to see me kind of soldering, fault finding, you know, adding bits and bobs, putting connectors on, you know, trying to work things out. It's incredibly dull, even I'm bored of it. So I'll show you what I have been doing. Well, I'll take you on a little guided tour. Is that all right? We'll go together. Hold on. Right, let me show you what's happening. Yeah. Yes, remember that. So here we are. So I've got all the electrical kind of gubbins that you need to do a car out, and yeah, it's quite a lot of stuff. So that loom that I had done for me, there's some things on it that I'm changing. For example, this loom has a fuel pump relay and fan relays built into it. Well, I could get them working by triggering the fuel pump kind of signal and the fan signal from that point there, which then signals these relays. But I don't see any point in having two lots of relays, so I'm omitting that out of that loom. Yeah, so I'm just working my way around it, really. I'm just kind of running some different cabling up to the engine bay. A couple of things aren't quite right there, but I'm getting there. I'll get it sorted. But yeah, it's one of them things where you just have to work through each kind of component slowly. And, you know, it's just dull as dishwater to wash. Wash? It is dull to wash, isn't it? Actually, it's quite boring. Well, actually, I have got something semi-interesting I can show you. Look, lights. Oh, what else? Oh, yeah, horns are in. I'll probably end up moving that on the steering wheel, but they're in anyway. What else? Oh, yes, hold on. Start motors all wired up, so are all the earthing points. So yeah, that's good. I've got a kind of a earth point there on the dash bar as well. So yeah, coming together. I forgot to mention one of the tasks as well, not one of, but quite a few tasks involved in getting these Porsche clocks working is to kind of get some of the Subaru gear talking to the Porsche clocks, and that is going to need some conversion. The tachometer signal that comes out of the Subaru ECU is 5 volts, I believe, or something like that, and a square wave signal, and that's a 12 volt. I think it's a different signal, but I'm not sure yet on the tachometer for the Porsche. So I'm getting an oscilloscope arriving in the next few days, and I'm going to be kind of delving into that a little bit further, and that might help someone else along their Subaru kind of Porsche, maybe a 356 or, you know, Covin journey. I've also got the fuel tank sender, or, you know, gauge, I mean, that little gauge on the left there. And that needs to kind of marry up with the float and the sender unit in the VW tank there. So I imagine that they are not going to kind of match up. So I'm going to have to get some resistors and kind of play around with that so that they do match up. So yeah, I'm probably going to utilise one of the temperature gauges in there for maybe the Subaru engine temperature. So I've got to get a sender unit for that. So it's a lot of learning, kind of a little bit into electronics. The oscilloscope's going to be an interesting thing. So yeah, it's going to get a little bit more technical, I think. But that's good. An opportunity to learn something else. And yeah, that's going to be really interesting, I think. Hopefully I'll make a nice video about that. And that can help other, you know, people who want to do the same conversion. Oh, you still here? Right. So, not a proper... You still here? Okay, yeah, right, yeah, it's not a proper episode, this one, just a kind of quick update. So, hopefully I have something a little bit more tangible for you next time. Until then, thanks for watching. Bear with me, we'll get this finished.